Scalability Pro. Oh my goodness. I just finished taking this course about scaling my business and I learned so much in this course. So if you're a person that's stuck and confused and you need to start an online business and you're looking to explode it this year in 2021, you're going to need this course. Click on that link below to get access to this exactly same course I just took, and you get to a page that looks just like this. My name is Shelton, and welcome to this video today, because this is the place to be to grow your bank account and grow your brand. Absolutely. So let's go ahead and dive it in. You know what time it is. Let's go ahead and do this. Now, Scalability Pro is a really good course for beginners. So if you've never done any online marketing or any online business in type of, setting it up, you're going to need this. I'm telling you, it's definitely worth every single penny, because look at this headline. Discover. First of all, warning. Discover the #1 mistake online business owners make and learn and how to avoid it. Now, I definitely made a lot of mistakes when I first started out, and I really wish I had a course like this, because it really takes everything step by step and it breaks things down for anybody can really understand it. So I'm going to play a little bit of this testimonial video, because the creator of this course, Kump, is a professional and masterful trainer. I'm telling you, you're gonna love him. So let me go ahead and play a little bit of this testimony.
How you doing? This is Matthew here. Right now you have the opportunity to work with a man named Kump. What I want you to do is suspend your disbelief and just take action and buy his product. Why? Because Daniel will add massive value to your life and business. He gets massive results and he takes massive action. It can show you.
That's Kump, is the creator of Scalability Pro. You will not really be disappointed of this course, step by step, each and every single time. Now, this is what this course looks like. When you click on the link below, you get access. It's broken down just like this. Very organized, very in-depth, straight to the point, no fluff. Get a get a piece of paper and a pen handy, because you're going to be taking notes. This is what the course looks like. So I'm going to go back to here a little bit, and I also want to show you the fact that the messaging, it speaks to you. What if you had a proven plan for sustained growth? We all want to grow in 2021, especially coming from 2020 and the challenges that year, put through all of us. But I really like what this message also says. If you had a simple trick that helped you scale and grow every week, every month, and year, would you take it? That's why you need this course, because I know, and I'm speaking to you right now, you're stuck, you're confused, you're overwhelmed, you're not scaling your business. You need a course, a step-by-step, really reason that you can really go ahead and take action. You need something that really you can guide yourself to the next step. And it says, yes, I want to scale my business. So click on the link below to get started as well. Now, it also gives you some more things in terms of what the course breaks down. What I love about this is, just right here, Scalability Pro will help you have that aha moment and wow, I finally get it now. We've all been there where we've been stuck and confused and not really sure where our business is going to go. Where are we going to actually scale it? Are we going to necessarily grow it, expand it, and be happy with this business? And the thing about this course is the fact that we've all been there before, where we're like, okay, we just started out, we need something that really can hang our hat on. Take this course. And when I'm telling you, when you take this course, you're gonna need to take it over and over again. Now, this is also my next favorite part, a detailed step-by-step illustration for how to actually grow your business, a plan you can see with your own eyes, which means no more ifs, no more I just don't understand, no more here we go again. So it's just not like all the other courses out there where you're basically trying to figure it all out. And even though they're saying, okay, it's easy, it's really difficult for you to understand. This course is very organized. Kump is a professional. He is a step-by-step masterful trainer, good coach, good teacher, and he's a person that you are going to love. And look at these testimonials down here as well. The great Stephen Munson had a really nice thing to say about it. He said, we quickly knew Daniel was one to watch out for. It was no surprise seeing him rise to the top of our leaderboard and smash every sales record. There you go. You want to follow somebody who's done it. And if you're somebody who's not even made a sale online, or he's a person that made sales and haven't had that, that aha scalability moment, you're going to need this as well. Now look at this also. Before I wrap this up, look at all the stuff it's going to break down to you. Look at all you're going to get. You will know what scale is. You will know how to start the process of a scale. And then plus, tested traffic for free, leveraging your list, tracking free. I'm just kind of going up and down the whole thing. You'll get a chance to see this whole page when you click on the link below, and you can see this actually page and you can get started, because I'm excited. I just finished taking this course. I'm actually going to go over it again because I really like some of the bonuses that you're going to get. The bonuses is fantastic. You're going to learn about traffic. You're going to learn about leveraging your list. You're going to learn about tracking. Tracking is very important. And you're going to learn other things as well, because you're going to get some secrets of what Daniel Kump does to really be able to explode his business to the top. And look at this. That's well over $1,097 absolutely free on this material, some of this material here. So click on that link below. When you come to this page here, you're going to click here just like that. You'll fill out this information here. You'll fill out this information. You'll fill this out, and then you'll come right to this page. You'll get a login. You have to log in, and then you'll get right to the course itself. It looks just like this. I'll do another video that kind of breaks a little bit more of this down a little bit, because I'm telling you, I really love the bonuses. I really love how this is set up. It's really easy to figure out. This is the order form, so you want to go ahead, fill this order form out, get this course, access now, not yesterday, right now. And these are the bonuses you're going to get when you sign up today. Now look at this, earn up to $148 per sale. I love this part here. Scalability Pro up to $14,800 in commissions. Look at that. You can actually sell the course. You can also earn sales of this. You can actually earn up to $148 per sale, which is major bonuses pretty much when you're doing this part right here. And then look at this. The great Paulo Barroso has some things to say about it. I'm going to play a little bit of this as well.
My name is Paulo Barroso. I'm a full-time internet marketer from London in the UK. And I've known Daniel now for quite a few years. We've been working together very, very closely. There are two things that I really connect with Daniel about business-wise, which is, apart from him being an awesome guy and we're obviously friends, but the two things I really connect with Daniel is mindset. He has a great mindset, and I'm a big believer in mindset. Second of all is traffic. He's a traffic master, guys. So I've learned a lot from Daniel. If Daniel puts anything out regarding traffic, guys, you need to go and get it, because
look at that. He said you need to go ahead and get it. I'd have to stop it there for a minute. That's the great Paulo Barroso. He's made way over $1 million in his business. He's a friend of mine as well. And if he's saying Daniel, course is something you need to get, then you need to get it, because I got it too. I'm happy about it, and I can't wait for you to go ahead and get it as well. You'll come right to this page here. Come and take the course immediately. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to click on the link below, and now get started. I want you to watch the video, watch the testimonial, read the bonuses, read the structure if you don't understand it. And then I want you to take action. Come right to this order form here, fill this out. You got Daniel Kump. You can actually email him if you have any questions, personal questions. You can email him there, support@danielkump.com. And then after that, you'll get a login. You have to get a login information when you sign in. And then when you come right here and get started with welcome to Scalability Pro, welcome to the course that's really going to make an impact, that can make an impact, because it's all about scaling. We want to scale this year, not yesterday, not last night. We want the beginning to learn the process right now. So click on the link below to get started. And I know you're probably sitting there thinking, well, do I need another course? You need something like this. I'm telling you. At first I was thinking, well, do I need a course like this? Yes, I do. Yes, you do. So click on the link below to get started. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel because this is the place to be to grow your brand, to grow your bank account. And I'll see you on another video. I'm gonna do another video over the Scalability Pro because I really feel good about it. Click on the link below. I'll see you on the inside.